Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make blondies. People also know these as blonde brownies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add the melted butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them until they're combined. You don't have to use an electric mixer, you can do this by hand if you like. Then add in the eggs, and the vanilla extract, and mix them in too. Then add in the flour, salt, and chocolate chips, and mix them together just until they're combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into a greased 9x13-inch baking pan, spreading it out evenly into the pan, and you want to bake it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly. And that's how to make blondies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.